In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Zoho Project. Changing your theme is a simple way to make your workspace feel more comfortable and personalized, and it can also improve visibility if you prefer darker or lighter backgrounds. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can quickly update the look of your Zoho Project interface. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Project account and that you're on any main page within the app, such as your dashboard, tasks view, or projects list. The option to change your theme is available from the same place anywhere in the interface, so you don't have to be on a specific module or project to follow along. Now look toward the upper right corner of the Zoho Project screen. There you'll see your profile icon. This might be a small circle with your initials, your profile photo, or a default avatar, depending on your account settings. This icon is your personal settings hub, and it's where Zoho groups options related to your account and interface preferences. Click on that profile icon. When you do, a small drop-down menu will appear. This menu may include options like your account details, sign out, language preferences, and other personalization settings. Among these, you'll find the option labeled Themes. Next, move your cursor down and click on Themes. This will open the Theme Settings panel, where Zoho lets you choose how the application looks. Depending on your version and setup, you may see several theme options, such as light mode, dark mode, or different color accents that change the highlights and background tones across the interface. Take a moment to explore these options. When you select a theme, the change will usually apply immediately, giving you a live preview of how your workspace will look. If you work long hours, you might find a darker theme more comfortable for your eyes. If you prefer a clean, bright look, a lighter theme with subtle colors might be better. Once you find the theme that works best for you, simply leave it selected. Zoho Project will remember your choice automatically. So the next time you log in, your preferred theme will already be applied. If you ever want to switch again, just repeat these same steps. Click your profile icon in the upper right corner, go to Themes, and choose a different look. And that's all you need to do to change the theme in Zoho Project.